Teach you how to crochet this little cherry blossom step by step. Use 4-stranded cotton yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. Start with a magic ring. 1 chain. Remove the ring. 1 single crochet into the ring. 4 chains. This is the first group. Now crochet the second group. 1 single crochet. 4 chains. This is the second group. Complete the remaining 3 groups on your own after crocheting the 5th group. This yarn moves. First, pull it counterclockwise. Then pull the short yarn. Return to the front side. We slip stitches into the first single crochet. This one. Tighten the slip stitch. The first round is complete. Now we'll crochet the second round. Crochet into the chain space for the second round. First, crochet a slip stitch. Then crochet a single crochet. Then crochet a half double crochet. Then crochet 2 chains. Then crochet a slip stitch. Then crochet a half double crochet. Then crochet a single crochet. Finally, crochet a slip stitch. The first group is done. This is the first group. Now we'll crochet the second group. Crochet the second group in the same way as the first. First, crochet a slip stitch. Then crochet a single crochet. Then crochet a half double crochet. Then crochet 2 chains. Then crochet a slip stitch. A half double crochet. A single crochet. A slip stitch. This is the second group. Following the same method, you still need to crochet 3 more groups. Complete the remaining 3 groups on your own. Finally, slip stitch into the first slip stitch. Then cut the yarn. Hide the yarn ends. The yarn. A small cherry blossom is done.